Alright, with the new Lamson Liquid Max rods. These come in the Liquid Max outfits that we just got in. This is the 9 weight. I'm gonna do some test casts, do some slow motion video so you can see where the rod flexes, both on a regular cast with the double hull, and then a little bit of a shallower cast, like if you were on the front of a flat skiff and you were trying to punch it under the wind. So yeah, they label this as a fast action rod, but still it's supposed to be able to be loaded up, you know, even by beginners. You know, like I said, the only way to get this is if you buy the outfit, and the outfit comes with the Liquid Max reel. I've actually been using the Liquid Max reel for the past season. Haven't had any issues with it. It's IPX8 waterproof certified. It's a fully sealed drag, same Cobalt drag they have on all their high-end reels, with the Teflon drag and the self-lubricating seals. So yeah, let's give the rod a try. So the first thing I noticed when picking the rod up is it's not terribly heavy. I mean, it's not the lightest rod I've cast, but it's definitely not too heavy for anybody to handle. If you watch these videos, the rod only flexes really in the tip down to about the third, which is a perfect fast action flex profile that you need for saltwater fish. You watch here, when I had the double haul, take it on the back cast, you can see you're flexing about a third of the way down. Now watch how fast this rod recovers back to straight. It does it incredibly fast. And the other thing I also noticed after watching this video, and I could feel it in the rod too, was there was really no rod wobble or tip shake at all after it came back to straight. And you can see that in the video. Even after I fire the final cast, that thing's straight as an arrow. It's not wobbling. That's gonna give you a really accurate cast. Now here, I'm doing a little bit more of a shallower cast, as you would punch under the wind if you're standing on the front of a flats boat. Then the same thing. Rod was really easy to carry a lot of line. I didn't have any of it drop in the grass. When you're on a flats boat, you're gonna be off the water a little bit anyway, but I had no problem carrying a lot of line. Unloaded the line really fast. It was just really pleasant to cast. I'd say the rod is on the fast side, but it's not too fast that a beginner wouldn't be able to cast it. But it's definitely a rod that, you know, if you were to buy this rod and you were a beginner, you'd be able to grow with this rod, you know, right up until if you become a pro caster. It's I wouldn't say there's any limitations on this at all. It's not one of those rods that bends halfway down the blank and you know you have no power fighting fish. This is definitely going to be a rod you can fight fish with. It's fast action, but it's you know you have a little bit of forgiveness there. So if you're not 100% on top of your timing, this rod isn't going to punish you. So yeah, overall it's a great rod. I was really surprised that they offer a rod in a reel of this quality in an outfit that anybody can get. So yeah, come by the den and check them out.